Hey guys, welcome back to Jared Tries Trading. It's episode, I should really be checking, episode 35. It's actually 10:20 a.m. Pacific time, March 2nd. It's a Wednesday, hump day. I'm recording a little bit early because I'm proud to report that I did hit my target today, and so I'm in profit preservation mode. If I see an A plus setup, then I'll probably use what's left of my buying power to try and get in. But otherwise, I'm just gonna be sitting on my hands and just studying, learning, and not actively trading. But as you can see, 85% win rate, almost double my daily goal. And what really helped me achieve this today was the swings I took yesterday. The sector remained strong, at least for the first candle. They all kind of gapped up, and I took my profits immediately. So I started the day well above my daily goal. Already was at plus 300 just from this Oxy and the CVX trade. Was happy to kind of break even on the COP trade. It wasn't as strong as the other two. And then I took a couple other trades today. The stocks were kind of apparent to me. We had a green day, so my comfort zone, I don't know. I need to figure out, I need to be able to figure out what kind of day it is quicker and adapt to it better. When it's chop or today, the market just drifted higher and it was easier for me to stay in the trades. So as soon as I could get more experience in the choppy market or the up and down days, I'm pretty confident that I'll be able to build these kind of days on a different kind of day, a completely bearish day or an inside day. But happy with the results here. Let's get into the market, shall we? This is the D1. This is the day we're putting up today. Nice green day. We broke this, I don't know if this counts as breaking the compression. Oh my God, I can't get it straight. We're peaking above that. But either way, I'm still maintaining my neutral to bearish kind of sentiment on the market until we break the SMA here. And I think that's just smarter for me, so I don't take my longs overboard and start going ham and then I get destroyed like these days back here in February. So it's all a learning experience. It's all, building my toolkit. Right now, I try to focus on the A plus setups, and I'll look to add the more advanced plays, when I get better. So this is the M5. Let me remove the SMAs. Really just drifted higher. The bullish 10P crosses were fruitful. This one, run from here to here, and then we were in a bearish cross and the market was barely sold off and then still drifted higher, and then we had another bullish cross. I wanted to see more bigger green candles, and I started taking profits in this region here because I wanted to see more liftoff. But hey, I made some good trades today, so I'll get into a couple of them here. Obviously my swings, they gapped up, I closed them. And I got the setups here all logged in. Above all SMAs, breakout on the daily, show you what it looks like. I showed you guys yesterday. This was Oxy, was super strong, breakout on the daily. Today gapped up, and I took $1.50 or something on 150 shares. So happy with that. But I'll get into the trades I took today. My first trade was MO. I bought 3 contracts. I tried to scale in a little bit, tried to add to my winner, but by that time I was pretty happy with my profits already, and I kind of felt the market getting a little I don't know, wasn't moving like it was earlier. So but MO, love the daily. breakout of this horizontal resistance above all SMAs, I'm sure. And when I'm only looking for this kind of setup, sometimes I can't really find it, and I think that's the point. That means, that's what I'm talking about, more advanced plays. Like, this breakout might happen below one SMA or in the middle of two SMAs, and the scanner, or this way I have my custom scan set up, it's not going to pick those up. So for now, I'm sticking with these top right corner ones. But this was a no stress trade. I got in 2 contracts at 11:06 right here after this pullback, and then we closed above the open of this red candle. I thought it was confirmation enough for me. Bought 2 contracts, and then I added at 12:18 after this big candle. It was further confirming, so practicing adding to my winners. I could have took $100 off of this one, but the way the contracts were moving, it dropped a little bit, but pretty happy with it. I took about 30 cents or 20 something, 26 cents on 3 contracts, and exited at 12:36, so somewhere in this candle right here at the top. And really, my reasoning was, like I mentioned on SPY, around 12:36. If I saw kind of more stacked green candles here, or this pullback was all green, or maybe a candle like this one later, I would have stayed in. But I wanted more lift off from this bullish 1OP cross, and so I secured my profits. I guess you could say I left money on the table from this, big green bar, but that's okay. I was okay with taking my 8% return. So that's MO. Let's see, MU. I think semiconductor. This one was low stress as well. Oops. And I like to take these moves, and then a bearish stochastic cross is my exit. Obviously, I left some money on the table, but hey, man, I took 7%, 50 cents on 2 contracts. That's $100 for me. How many Big Macs is that? You know what I mean? And let's see, MU, show you the daily. I was really playing off of the break of this downward sloping trend line here. Broke the downward sloping trend line and broke this SMA, major resistance. Earnings later this month, but I wasn't too worried about that. Took 2 contracts. I just wanted to take any piece of this move. And my exit was the same reason as MO. I wanted more lift off. I'm sure some people stayed in and, you made a little more money, but I'm going to be taking my $100 wins. I mean, all I need is 2 of these trades every day, and I'll be basically at my target, my daily target. So, so I'll call this, break of downward sloping trend line, as far as the setup, and then I guess break of SMA as well. So, really happy with these trades. I mean, these are the setups I guess I'm looking for, and they're easier to see today. They reacted in a way that I was comfortable with. I had zero fear in these trades. Maybe that was because I closed my swings for a profit, you know what I mean? But yeah, I was in a good mood today. Rmbs, this one, I wanted more liftoff. Basically the same play as MU, break of this downward sloping trend line. Let's see, I think it even peaked above that. So a lot of strength here, broke above the SMA. I could have held it. I bought shares of this one, but by the time I made like the $100 and then the $70 from MO and MU, this one I was up like $2. And so, I wanted to take my money back, let it clear. I am on a cash account, so I think there's better plays out there. But I mean, look at it. I was correct. My thesis was correct. It kept climbing. By now, I probably would have been up, excuse me, 15, 20 bucks. But that's okay. I like my pick. And really, that's it, guys. 7 trades. 3 of them were swings. 3 trades today. Well, I guess I'll go over my loss. ADM. This one, I exited. You know, it wasn't moving the way I expected it to. It got kind of flat. But I'll show you why I got into it. ADM. Look at this top right corner of the D1. Nice and orderly SMAs. Compressing, consolidating right here, and finally broke out. I like it. I like the pick, but you know, I wanted a little more lift off. You know, when SPY was moving up, and I didn't really get it. I had to wait a little bit, and maybe in this candle I would have been able to take some profit, but I just got out of there. You know, it's okay to take these losses. You know, if it doesn't do what you want it to do, and especially if they're tiny. I mean, 30 bucks. Like I said, I had a few of these last month, and I was able to build back from it. So I just can't do the $500 losses, and I'm trying to drill that into my head. Take the $150 loss if you're wrong, and just keep building. So great day, guys. Almost double the daily goal. You know, nothing much to it. But you know, coming into tomorrow, definitely got to stay humble because the market will slap me. I don't want to get too bullish, too excited off this. We're still kind of in this range, and I'm sorry. And until we get above the SMA or some stack green candles, I'm not gonna get too excited on the bullish side. But hey, I'll take another one if they give it to me. And you know, Harry had a post about, you know, sector rotation and stuff like that. Let's see. I tried to look for the weak sector and then, you know, try to find some weak stocks, but I mean the whole market's up. And I just traded out of the strongest ones, so that's super helpful, and it made it made it more clear to me on what I should be trading. So again, I'm going to keep watching the market, but that's pretty much it for me today. I hope you guys are keeping it green. Focus on your setups, and really don't get in your own way of your success. You know what I mean? Let them ride. But I'll be back tomorrow. Sorry, a little low energy. Thank you guys for watching episode 35. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. See ya.